Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach Payoneer account with Fiverr. So first of all, you just have to come to your Fiverr account and then just tap on this earnings. So you have to come for this earning, and now you can see there are three options: PayPal, bank transfer and Fiverr renew card. So the best method is bank transfer. So we will go for this bank transfer, and then you have to verify with SMS. You have to give the number you are using on Fiverr as well. So now we will receive a code, and then we have to enter the code here in 20 seconds. If not, it will be expired. After entering the code, just tap on this submit code. After verifying mobile number, now Fiverr will send you email. In that email that we want to confirm our Fiverr account with Payoneer. Now we just open the email, and now you can see this mail is here. We have to confirm that, so we have to tap on this, click here, and now it will be redirect us to the Fiverr page again. It is telling us the revenue of Fiverr. We can transfer it to our bank account, so tap on this get started. You need to sign up your Payoneer or create a Payoneer. This is the page. You have to follow the instruction to create your Payoneer account. If we have already, we just go for this, click here, already have a Payoneer, and then we have to log into our Payoneer account. Just tap on this sign in, and now you can see you may now receive payments from Fiverr to your USD balance. To view a full of available funding source, log into your Payoneer account. So just tap on this login, and now you will be redirected to this page. Tap on this sign in, and now our Payoneer account has logged in, and now you can see this almost there. Now our application is submitted to Fiverr, that we want to link our Payoneer account with Fiverr, and now our Payoneer account is linked with the Fiverr. You can see now we can withdraw our balance with our Payoneer account from Payoneer with, and from there on our local account with Payoneer. So whenever we make transaction from Payoneer to bank account, it will cost us to $2 or $3. So that's it for this video. That's how you can attach your Payoneer account with Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.